Thinning is one of the most important steps you can take to ensure your plants thrive in your garden while giving you stronger and more prolific crops. We know it can be heartbreaking when choosing which sprouts to keep. Just remember that you're doing your plants a favor because they will not be competing with each other for space, light, or nutrients. First, wait until true leaves replace the cotyledons. This is the best time to thin. Otherwise, thinning too early or too late can stress the plant and possibly stunt its development. Second, pick which sprouts to keep. Choose the ones that look healthiest and strongest, typically the sprout that is growing tallest with the most developed leaves. For herbs and bushy plants, such as flowers, you can choose up to 3 sprouts to continue growing. For fruiting plants and leafy greens that grow quite large and take up a lot of nutrients, we recommend choosing just 1 sprout to keep growing. Finally, just snip the seedling at the base of the plant with your fingernails or a small, clean pair of scissors, leaving the strongest sprout to grow. If you are careful, you can also remove the sprout by gently pulling the seedling out of the rock wool by the root. So that's it. Over the next few weeks, you'll enjoy watching your thin sprouts grow into beautiful, lush plants. As always, grow healthy, live tasty.